Hello everyone, my name is Gavin, and this will be a video on how to set the jump velocity or the jump force with Python in the Blender game engine. And I'm just going to get started. So to start off, let's do spacebar and then add a plane right here, and drag this plane just to be beneath our cube right like this, and do like S and 5 to scale it up 5 times. Let's now give a material to this plane. Let's make this material blue like this. And right click back on your main cube, and let's go from defaults to game logic and go from Blender render to Blender game. What we are now going to do is add an always sensor in our cube and add a Python controller on our cube. Then we're going to add a keyboard sensor on our cube. It'll be named space with tap selected and spacebar like this, and connect that to a motion actuator. And this motion actuator will be from character motion now. So select character motion and connect it to this like that. Alright, now that we have this, just do templates Python and then game logic simple. Drag this portion out and delete the portion I've highlighted. And hit Control and scroll up on your mouse to make your text larger. And rename this as scripts.py. Scripts.py like that, sorry. And minimize this. Now with our cube still selected, click on the physics tab and go to character physics and click actor. And you'll notice right here where it says jump force, it'll say Python game object settings and that little pop-up menu thing. And we'll say bpy.data.objectscube.game.jumpspeed. That is what we're going to be editing like right there. So what we need to do is you'll notice that by default when we hit play, that's the jump height like this. So when you hit P to play, that's the jump height. But inside of our script, if you edit it by doing import bpy, then going down inside your script and doing bpy.data.objects, then get the name of whatever your object is. So let's have cube like this. Then .game.jump speed is going to equal something much higher, like let's say 25. And make sure this 25 is a float, so 0.0 or something like that. So what we should now see is that it's going to run the script and it's going to reset the jump speed, but it doesn't reset it the first time you play the game, it happens the second time, so you'll see it jumps a lot higher. So what I think is happening is, because I'm not 100% sure, is that it's actually just resetting the object data this first time. Yeah, you can see right here it just turned to 25. So it's resetting that object data for you just with your Python scripting. So if we change this to 50 and we watch this jump force thing over here, it should change eventually. So we're jumping, it's a lot higher. Play it one more time, it's much higher. And that changed to 50 once we exit out of the game. Alright guys, so that's how you change the jump force with Python in the Blender game engine. I hope you guys find this useful, and here is the script just for one more second.